Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Isaac Crypto, where I tell you what trades I'm in and what I'm expecting next. Okay, without further ado, let's get straight into the charts. So right off the bat, I'm in a little scalp trade right now. If we go back over the past few days, what we've seen is a very large wick that came up from our level of support, our key level of support, which was actually listed in the video. So you can see that title, like the videos here. The low point, which is that green section in there, that was this low here, and we had that run up. Okay. So what I was specifically highlighting that was of major interest was these levels here. So obviously we came down to support, we found a resistance here, and then we dropped a bit lower, and then we came all the way up into our $90,000 region. Now, the reason that mixture actually occurred the way it did, and so which is the large up thrust, is so the simple fact that there was a lot of shorts entering the market right at the lows here. So you can see 6 million, 4 million, 4 million, 4 million positive open interest there. So positive open interest and negative delta. So yeah, negative CVD. So what you can see is there was a slight bullish divergence, as in like there was absorption taking place, and then what we saw was those shorts close out, so open interest starts to decrease. So here, and then big ones come in here. That's what pushed it up there. And then you had, what's that, $4 million worth of shorts enter right at the top. Then 17 million worth of shorts entered there, and that's pushed us back down here. So coming into a key level, and then people shorted that and pushed it back down. So I'm currently in a long trade because I think we can push up a little bit higher. I'm just watching it manually right now, but I would like to see us get to around these levels. I have targets around here first of all, which I want to see us hit. Admittedly, I got in this late. I did wake up late, so I'm in this trade late. My invalidation for this trade specifically on Bybit, like this exchange here, you can see, I don't want to see us be losing $86,000. If we lose that, I'll take a small loss. It might be like $150, $250, something like around that amount. I'm happy to take that risk for this trade. We'll just take it as it comes. Take profit one, I'll be taking that here. And then I know right now we're seeing the swing failure high of this high, sorry. So yeah, we could be in a little range here where we just go swing up and down like that. And yeah, I'm happy to close that trade. Just keep it transparent. But yeah, I'm saying I'm going to hold it, see what happens if it turns out well. Or if I close it prematurely, I will. I'll see how everything turns out. Let's say we get to break even. I'm not like, yeah, I'll just close it out. But for now, I'm going to leave it, okay? So what we've been seeing, if we pop on our metrics, we can see that we came into that key level of support, which was highlighted, which actually, I think it was, this. So our key level of support, which is the Fibonacci pull. We also had a very large level of volume, this cluster here. And we bounced back into that cluster, and then we rejected since. So now we're teetering on the value area low, just trading on it. So hopefully we can claim above the value area low and resume up. I think there's a solid chance we can. Just zoom out on what we're looking at here. Yeah, I mean, look, I personally want to see us claim higher and get up to those $87,000 regions, push up a bit, and then from there we'll suss it out. We could definitely drop from here though. If we're going to do the drop, it's going to have to be relatively soon because we are on that level of resistance. And this is why it's not a good idea to take trades where I'm taking this trade. It's a bit of a risky trade. I admit that, because we're taking a long right at this level. You're going to be taking longs at either here or here. So that entry that you could have done was the back test back into the range, which is around this level here. You could be taking that long, which you would have been in nearly 1% profit. So I'm in much less than that, 0.65. So it's kind of mid, right? That's all right though. We'll just take it as it comes. Other than that, that's what's currently unfolding in the chart. And then, yeah, so I hope that's clear what happened a few days ago, because we saw that push up, and then specifically what that would look like is this. So yeah, we bounced off our levels. I think we came a bit lower, and then we pushed into that, and now we're rejected from it. So we do have targets higher. It's just if this level of support holds, and I think it's got a solid chance of holding. If you just take a look at this, you can see that our major liquidations are coming in at around $90,000 here. So very large cluster there. There is clusters to the downside, but there's clusters to the upside that which are more potent and more potential. So I would like to see us push higher. And right now, we might be seeing that happen. But for me, I'm just going to take it as it comes and just do that. I was in a trade. I was also where did I document that? At the start of this video, I was in a trade from this level here, and I ended up closing a bit of profit. Didn't close the rest, and closed the rest at $90,000. So yeah, that's that. And yeah, that's what's happening right now. So other than that, guys, that's about it. So I hope that's all very clear. For now, we take as it comes. We're on that resistance level right now. So yeah, resistance is happening right now. I wouldn't long where I longed personally. I've longed a bit lower, but I wouldn't risk it personally. I'd be patient. That's levels washed out. So the next level you'd be looking at would be $87,000. So we'll zoom in here so we can see locally. So for this range, you'd be looking at $87,000 and then 88,200. And then that's a swing flare pattern high of this region. And then after that, you'd be looking for higher levels. But I'm not going to be looking at that just yet. If we just want to look at this, what else? I'm just going to see if I can see. You had that come in, break down. Yeah, okay. Cool. So that will make sense to me. And then obviously much bigger targets are over here. Yeah, so 90, 91. But we'll get there when we get there. I'm not going to be looking at that right now. And then obviously locally, if we just go down on the lower time frames, we can see that support is coming in at around $86,000. That's why my invalidation is going to have to be around this region, 85,700. That's where I've got it right now, 87,700. But we'll just take as it comes. I'm going to manually adjust it. But yeah, that's what's happening. So yeah, hope that's very clear. And I'll catch you guys in the next update. If this was a short one for now, catch you guys later. Links in the description below. Sign up for these Bybit, WEEX, good trading discounts, follow along the trades. And then yeah, for now, catch you guys next time.